If you're growing zucchini or squash and you're running into a problem where this is happening, you're getting a fruit setting, but they turn yellow, get soft, and fall off, you're gonna need to watch this. We gotta do some hand pollination because this is caused by lack of pollination. We're trying to get big healthy plants like this one and nice big fruits like this squash. Some lack of pollination in there, but look at this guy. Nice big zucchini, ready to go into some zucchini bread soon. Got a couple of these big guys coming in. This one's an absolute monster. These big healthy plants can support more than just this one giant zucchini. So I got a lot of flowers open here. It's time to do a little hand pollination to help these plants out. If you come out in the early morning to midday, you'll notice these big giant yellow flowers forming that are healthy and wide open. My problem is my pollinators are not out in full force at this time, so my pollination rate has been unacceptable. So we got to fix that, and it's really easy to do. Let's start by identifying our flowers. So here's a big yellow flower on this squash plant off a little stem. That's a male. This one is also a male. You'll notice these little fruits forming with flowers on the end. That is a female flower. And unfortunately, this one is not open because if you look in here, that has a ton of pollen that fell off. And that'd be really good to drop into that flower if it was open. Here's an example on a zucchini. Big yellow flower. And look at that, little fruit forming. That is a female. And likewise, on the zucchini, we have males, where it's just a stem coming up to a flower. So to hand pollinate, I'm just going to cut this male flower off and go from there. Inside this flower, you notice this little probe sticking out right there. That's where our pollen's coming from. So we're gonna take these petals and pull all the petals off of this. You can use a pair of scissors for this as well. When you're cutting the petals off your male flower, be sure not to damage this part. If you look close, that is loaded with pollen right now. That's the part we need for this. Here's what's left of our male flower, ready to start pollinating. So here's our female flower open on this zucchini. Here's what's left of our male. See that center part right there? We're gonna take the male and just rub it right on that female there. Get a good coating going on there. Only takes a little bit to make this work. You can use this male for multiple females if you'd like. What we've done here, maybe the ants are helping with this, I don't know, but we just pollinated this female zucchini flower, and for that reason this one is not going to turn yellow like that one and get mushy and fall off. This zucchini should make it full term. Last few weeks it's been the major question online, why do my zucchinis look like this and fall off my plant? Well, the pollination is your answer. So do you want this or something like this? Or cut it sooner and eat it, but I love the bread, so my zucchinis grow big. Just put in 4 more zucchini mounds, so the zucchini field is expanding. Waiting for this female squash to open so I can grow more big squash on here. But that hand pollination is just as easy as I explained it. It's basically a way to ensure a huge zucchini crop, and it only takes minutes. So get out there and wake up early when your flowers are open and start doing the bees' work. Help them out. Help yourself out. As always, thanks for watching.